Your Holiness.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure's all mine. Thank you so much.
Would you like to have a
Thank you so much.
Please.
I'm sure you have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much.
I convey the greetings and prayers of the people of Bahrain. To say thank you for this wonderful reception. Okay. I'd like to present Your Holiness with a symbolic palm tree. It is, and I hope it makes somebody smile and think of something
That's
positive.
beautiful. Thank you.
Our way of expressing ourselves through our items and our art.
It's like a workshop where
Yes.
they do mosaics here in the Vatican.
It's wonderful.
And same
Thanks.
paintings, yes. So they continue to do the same work for
It's
the
wonderful, Your
centuries.
Holiness. It's a beautiful
But,
place.
And then also a book here with the.
I'm a huge student of architecture, so
Okay.
what fans? Student sounds like I know something. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Your
Thank you.
Grace.